Guys, in Python, one-liner refers to a concise piece of code that accomplishes a specific task in just one line. These one-liner codes will save your time and make your code look cleaner and more readable. Let's see few more one-liner tricks. You have one list of integer where we are calculating pricing. Now you want to get sum over every other value. So how you will get it? So with the help of some function, you can do it very easily. And we have applied a slicing technique. Okay. If you're in the program, so every alternate item we are getting, it will take this element, this element, this element, and this element. And then it will sum up these values. Okay. We have one more trick here with some function. If you want to get sum of n consecutive numbers, it can also be done in this way. So we can use range function and then it will sum up all the values in this range. Okay. So you will see we have 10. Okay. It will run 5 times. It will give you the sum of consecutive numbers. Right. Next trick, converting a string to lowercase and uppercase. We have a string s1. We are going to convert this string to lowercase. We have uppercase character here. Okay. Here in the program. So it will convert to lowercase. Okay. We have one more function, case fold on a string, that will also work same as lower function. Okay. Case fold. So it will also convert the value from any case to lowercase. Okay. But what is the difference between lowercase and case fold function? So casefold function returns a copy of a string with all characters in lowercase. As I said, it is similar to lower, but whereas that method deals purely with ASCII text, and casefold can also convert Unicode characters. Right? This is the difference between both two. Okay, casefold function is more stronger than lower function. Okay, I have a German character right here, and I have added this German character to this string. So what will happen? So lower function will not be able to convert this German character to lowercase, while casefold function will do. Okay. If you run in the first statement, this German character is still as it is. Okay. But casefold function converted the German character into the lowercase. This is the conversion of lowercase of this German character. Okay. If we talk about converting any case to uppercase, if we can easily use upper function, right? It will convert all the characters into uppercase. See, you could see upper is now handling this German character as well. Let's see next trick, map function. Let's say you have a list of a string and you want to convert each item of the list into uppercase. This is a temporary list for us and we are appending each item in this loop after converting it. Okay. And then we are printing a list. So what would happen? It will convert all the items from this list into uppercase. You see, but we have a more quicker way which can be achieved with the help of map function. We can use a lambda function here with map. Here we are saying this is an anonymous function for us. This is an argument will convert this uppercase and it will return a value to map function. Okay, and then we are passing a list which we are going to convert if you're in the program, so it will do the same thing. Let's see next trick, longest string from a list. How we can get a longest string from a list, which means if you want to get an item which is longest, okay, in the length, so how we can do it quickly? With the help of max function we can get it. If you're in the program, you will see the language we are getting because it is more character than other items in the list. Okay. Next trick, converting key value pair to dictionary. Sometimes we have a scenario where we have some values, right? Like name and the age. If we want to convert those key values into the dictionary, so how quickly we can do it? So with help of this dictionary class, we can pass on these our key value pairs simply, and then it will create a dictionary to us and then it will return. Okay, this is a dictionary and it is a type of dictionary. You can see if you have some properties of a class object in such forms like name, age, like this, and you want to get a dictionary quickly, so this trick will help you. Okay, next trick, remove duplicates element from a list. Sometimes we need to remove duplicate items from list, right? We have a list, items are duplicated, but we need to remove. With help of set, we will get first new set, and then this set we will be passing into the list. It is very simple. You will see duplicate items are removed. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.